Good morning, students. On the day of inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. In this line, Nelson Mandela want to say, when he took oath as the first black president of South Africa, then he remembered the great history behind this democratic government, and he was overwhelmed to think about the history that was hidden behind the democracy of South Africa. In the first decade of 28th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my birth, the white-skinned peoples of South Africa patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. In these lines, Nelson Mandela wants to say that in the first decade of the 28th century, first decade means starting 10 years of the 28th century in South Africa, before the Anglo-Boer War and Anglo-Boer War and before the birth of Nelson Mandela in South Africa, the white-skinned people, they ruled very cruelly over the black-skinned people, and they erected a great difference between black and white people. During that time, there was apartheid system, and apartheid system had created a much gap between black people and white people. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. Here Mandela wants to say that the cruel rule which was done by the white-skinned people over black people, that was very inhuman, and that had established a society that was totally based on race. And to this fact, not only South Africa but the people of whole world were familiar with this fact. Now, in the last decade of the 28th century and my own eighth decade as a man, that system had been overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the rights and freedoms of all peoples regardless of the color of their skin. In these lines, Nelson Mandela wants to say that in the first decade of the 20th century, there was the cruel rule of the white people over the black people. But in the last decade of the 28th century, this apartheid system was overturned due to the effort of Nelson Mandela and ANC, African National Congress, and in the place of this apartheid system, a democratic government took place. But to do this, our great leaders had sacrificed their life. But in the last decade of the 28th century, there was no apartheid system in South Africa, but there was a democracy in which all, whether they are black, whether they are white, all people were free to cast their vote, to participate in the election, and there was democracy, there was equality everywhere in the land of South Africa. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. Mandela remembered the great leaders who had sacrificed their lives for the freedom of the black people, for the establishment of the democracy. People whose suffering and courage can never be counted or paid. Nelson Mandela remembered the sacrifices of the great patriots, and he says that the suffering and the courage, whatever they have shown in the freedom fighting, that courage, that suffering can never be counted, can never be repaid. The noble deed which had been done by the great patriots of the South Africa, that provided democracy to South Africa, it cannot be repaid, and it was beyond the imagination. I felt that day, as I have on so many others days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. Here Nelson Mandela remembered those great patriots who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of the black people, and he says that he is the sum of all great African people, and they are dead now, but in the form of the Nelson Mandela, they are even now alive to see the result of their sacrifice.